First, I'm very, very happy to be here, and I want to thank Professor Zanan and the organizers for the invitation to this first Women in Neurosurgery session of the Brazilian Society. For me, it's a great honor to be here because it is an opportunity to discuss with my colleagues from Brazil, to share with them the problems that we are living as women in neurosurgery around the world, and also to find solution for that. About the presence of, I was really happy because I've noted that in the assistants there were many young medical students in medical school, females that are interested by the specialty, and this is really very encouraging. And what I say with my colleagues as Nelsie and other colleagues around the world, the promotion of female neurosurgery have to begin in the medical schools. We have to see all these young ladies that are interested by neurosurgery but are afraid to go to this specialty. So this is one of the goals of the women in neurosurgery committees around the world. I think that there is no differences, because when we are talking about women in neurosurgery around the world, the problem is the same. Often they are underrepresented when we talk about number, and even if we have a good percentage of women in neurosurgery, there is also problems. So maybe the problems are quite different from a country to another, but we live, generally all the females in neurosurgery lives the same problems. For example, here in Brazil, they said there are difficulties to make progression in academic fields as in United States. As in my country, the problem is not like this. The problem is social problems, the burden of traditions, of maybe sometimes religion. But the result is the same. The result is that we are underrepresented in the field of neurosurgery. But what we said today is not only in neurosurgery the problem. The problem is the feminine condition around the world. And females are underrepresented in all the fields of social life, of professional life.